Hey man, bread back. Just should have put on the paper. After I was if I apologize to Batty boy. Apologize for what? If I apologize to Ja. Gunshot them forget.
Now this is an anthem. Blaze up the fire, push up your hands, them. Big up the lioness with the lion, them. Fire burn! I'ma say holy man like King Selassie, Joe. Rastafari. It is good to give thanks unto the Most High King Selassie and sing praise unto his name, Most High Joe. Rastafari to show forth his loving kindness in the morning and the faithfulness of the night.
Peter Mac from Grandy, spread the video all in coal mine for me. Hear it now. Hey, hear me now. Wakaman don't apologize to nobody, boy, because if you're this King Selassie, I will go. Spread the rock bulletin and rock and come in. All and come again, boy. Home time. Home time. Let me tell you something, people. They banned Buju Banton song on YouTube. I will show you plain that song. Go and look for Buju Banton song on YouTube. Don't the YouTube sell out for the Bola man them. The Batty boys them buy out YouTube. That's why I don't like. That's why the woman shoot up. We have to apologize to Ja. Apologize to Batty boy.
Yo, Dada.
Hear it.
Dada. Yo, hold on. Me man, bread back. You should have put on the paper.
If you need pictures have on Facebook, then?
Apologize for what? If I apologize to Ja. Gunshot them forget.
You must apologize to Ja, boy.
Is an anthem. Blaze up the fire, push up your hands, them. Big up the lioness with the lion, them.
When all is done, go on YouTube and see if you get a Buju Banton song. They pull it off of YouTube. That real shit, boy. They buy out YouTube to them money. Big up to Baltimore. Hear me now. Wakaman don't apologize. By fire, burn all the way. I'm not back here, I'm not signing up for that. Fire fall, the way. The Trinidad and Tobago going to get wood. They're going to get wood from God. Question me. Question God. Vex for God for them things. Wait, gone. Remix.
Blood clot, Party boy is that.
Wait, gone. You see? Watch. Watch. See? YouTube and all to Trinidad and Tobago. Watch. They sign out to the Bola man them. Look at here. Watch what I'm proving it all here. Watch. See it? Nasty boy. Hey, I catch them. Watch it. Boom, bye bye. YouTube. All your nasty. That's why the woman shoot up all your. Now, here what to do. Type up there for me. Put Dry Bones in the Valley. Glen Washington. And see how that song I want to take it out.
Baby love, expensive baby girl. Lead out.
Nastiness boy. Buju pull no song off boy. They give him trouble. Well, no, Dry Bones, Glen Washington. Watch it now, all tracks. See it? You could never get Glen Washington song. Watch it there. See it? Video deleted. See? Video deleted, Dry Bones. You know why, people? Why they deleted for? But they can't take the jamming, boy. They can't take the jamming, Trinidad and Tobago. No, I'll come in to talk something all the way.
Finally, you come along. Baby love, expensive baby girl. Lead out.
Right.
I don't know what you want to do, why come to get one part. I don't know what you want to do, why come to get one part.
I don't know what you come to do, but
Come let me jump around. I don't know what you come to do, so but that's on the feet and the sun so back.
we go waka them, waka, let me cut them down. Waka, we go waka them, waka, let me cut them down. Who killing people, who raping people, who fighting your dog. Waka, we go waka them. I is the real bushman. So God, I don't fear no one. Walking hard and not cutting the lawn. Under the blazing sun, even though others go to church. God know be heart and mind, so nothing wrong with taking a drink. So come let me bust a line. So I don't know what you come to do. Why come to get on bad. I don't know what you come to do. Why come to get on mad. I don't know what you come to do, but come let me jump around. I don't know what you come to do. So go dance to the beat and me song. So waka, we go waka them. Waka, let me cut them down. Waka, we go waka them. Waka, let me cut them down. Waka for who killing people. Waka for who raping people. Waka who fighting your down. Waka, we go sing this song and on the track. Put all your worries behind your back. All will be a problem to be thrown. But once there is life, there is hope. Don't take your life for no joke. Get higher music, not weed and coke. Everything you do, you're making a choice. An empty vessel make the most noise. So what? Come to get on bad. I don't know what I come to do. I come to jam. I come to put them in the pot. Or come from. So waka, we go. When they do some secretly again, we will open. Let us keep it. Waka, killing people. Waka, who fighting your dog. Waka. Cut to the right, make a turn and cut to the left, now. Turn around and cut to the back, cut to the back now. Turn around and cut to the front. Waka, we go, waka them, waka, let me cut them down. Waka, we go, waka them, waka, let me cut them down. Waka, we go, waka, who raping people. Waka, we go, waka them. Right, what? Now, I come today to talk about some issue. The thing that I have on the Facebook, that's where Buju Banton and the fella in the red have it as the national flag, and the high British man putting up the Bolaman flag, which is backed by Rowley and Kamla. The high British commissioner coming through and Tobago and he putting up the flag, right? But I'm only calling Jesus' name, right? Gospel man, Bolaman gospel man. Hallelujah and Jesus and all kind of things. Same thing in Pastor Coffee Church. No but from Fit for Life, I'm a see. I hear in all you. As a top Bolaman clans. Home time for everybody. Spread this video, rock bulletin and rock and coming from it. Now I come to talk about the prisoners them today. And he tell all of the Deuta Zane. You don't know I just come guided by God. Me don't cut no tarot card. You understand? I don't know what's going on with he get word. He don't know what to do. He losing money. That's why he gain on so forth for people. I done already jammy and I done with he. Tony songs is word all over. Big tune upon tune. Right, you come back on my thing there. Go back on the on my thing there. Big tune upon tune. Same name. And put right, look at here now. Right. Oh yeah. No. Oh yeah. No people. They lock up Buju. And Daniel from Synergy. My land was a great land. They said oil and steel pan to build this nation, but the police them taking bribe on them. Sweetie auntie, so I say, vote for Waka man. The voice of the people. We jamming. Vote for Waka man. Vote for Waka man. The voice of the people. We jamming. Oh yeah. Nah. Right. I know. Gospel, God favors me. Let's put, God. Right. Now people are coming in with this here now. Now Trinidad and Tobago, I have been going through some testing in life. Now I'm calling on to the jailers them. Justice system killing me. And 1% benefit from criminality. And if God do it for me, he could do the same for you. Don't worry about your haters. Don't worry about them. Spread the video, come on.
Love is felt most.
Is felt most when there's you are. I'm coming into the teaching, Manipulating. No matter what they do, me Trinidad and Tobago. Right? All you hold on people. All my supporters them. All you support me. All you support the voice of God. It come both ways. Yin and yang. I'm not in for nothing. I'm in for the souls of the people and I'm fighting for my God. All you know about my story. And I know we are the world, boy.
Because
my enemy.
They did try, but they couldn't try.
And thanks to the haters them. It have a million things on Facebook. But they have the time to come and watch me because as I preached in the previous video, the devil loves to hear God's word. Just like Herod, just like King Herod, keep calling John the Baptist to hear his words. And when John the Baptist jam his wife and called Tia Harlot, his wife to get rid of him and nasty man and kill him. King Herod didn't want to kill him.
Love is patient.
Same thing with my boy Ragu. But I a high-tech man, but anytime all you come around me, it would fall by. And all I want to know why playing gospel and talking. So how all you can be bullying on the bottom? How all you can be doing all them nasty things? How all of them bull a man all about? Put them in Trinidad and Tobago and then call Jesus' name? Well then I go and be carnal and be perfect. Come out and put it in nasty and jam all you. Like all you can't take it. Think why I tell all you. In the background I playing a gospel and a jamming all you. But when all you bullying all the bottom, legalizing and taking all your private part and turning it into you is a man, but you're turning into a woman. And they're backing it in the high places them. All over YouTube. Buju Banton, don't make them man fat you down by. You don't make jail for that. Is the bulla man them do that. The next one they call Haynes. B. Haynes, or wait the name. All of them is bulla man and Trinidad and Tobago by. Kia, you doom. Trinidad and Tobago going to get wood and go back to the old time days. No current, nothing, and water and food. Water and food, it's coming. Winston Rago, go in the weather channel, go in YouTube, go and learn about NASA and come back and talk weather. Come back and talk. You want to get a channel, you go on TV and thing. Shit, snakes. So that's a lion mean, man. My character is, and all them thing all I try. My integrity, my faith in God. He favors me, Trinidad and Tobago. Right? Spread the video, rock bulletin and rock and come in here. Whole time for them, boy. Fire for them, you don't know. I am not a judge them, but God made animal, male and female. And if he could take that from animal, and he could show me that pattern of life, because all that we is following a pattern of life, because God is the original man, like how Jesus Christ came from heaven and come down here. But one thing I didn't know he do, he never bull in the bottom. And none of them prophet them never bull in the bottom. I never hear Moses bulling in the bottom. I never hear King David bulling in the bottom. I hear he bull woman. That is why the young boy hang himself in the Kaliatri temple with the nasty bulla man in the temple. And the next one called Baba Steve. He had one called Barry, whining and dancing and manifesting the mothers. The bulla man them manifested the mothers and telling you reading, Trinidad and Tobago, they can't take the wood, they can't take the jamming, they can't take the blood of Jesus Christ, boy. In the Himalaya mountain, a jamming all here. Come into the kitchen now. Nasty. I have to play that song in the background and burn all the way. Home time, no recess, no lunch time, home time for you. Big skull change for the way. God faith, all and everything will come. The night you send $20,000, Mr. Ian, and you give the man him in jail to come and to do where to do. But the same way, but child, all the way trying to do me that is wood for you. God favors me. Hear this. Now what I hear now. Here where it come to. Them fellas and them that talk in the prison. Trinidad and Tobago and the world. They say in Trinidad and Tobago, you are guilty until you are proven innocent. Only in Trinidad that it is. Nah, in Trinidad and Tobago. Me talking about that law. I change in my law. Down here law is you're guilty till you're proven innocent. Nastiness by the DPP. 15 years. You taken to charge somebody, but you have enough evidence to charge them, and you can't bring it to court to solve the matter. To solve the matter, 15 years. What about the woman? Note please, what she say? She said she brother was charged. She named Nordia. Nordia Smith tell me. She brother was charged for rape. And later he was freed because the DNA proved that it wasn't he. And all the police do is say sorry, and the government pay him $3 million. She pleaded to all authorities and certain people in the government to train young men. Some of the young men are innocent, some of the women are innocent. Now I want to blame. You know where all the killing come and all them kind of bacchanal come from? I want to blame the radio station. I want to blame the heads on them. They are showing nothing to better the children in this country. Next one want a ball kill, shoot, one kill policy. Before you take time and go out on the road and call the badjans, call the criminal, call the rich, call the poor, have meeting, let them eat something, let them drink something, create venues, find out what they're getting on for, find out what is the thing. Apatrophobium is something where you find the cause, you kill the cause, and then you get rid of the problem Trinidad and Tobago and the world. If you have a problem, you call it apatrophobium. That word they call apatrophobium. When you want to get rid of that, you have to find what is the problem. You have to find out what is the problem. Here what you do, boy. Right? Adesh Rampasar. I want you to go and supply all the condoms for Barry and them and for Kamla. For the UNC you're working for, keep supplying the Bolaman and them. Go down and them end. Don't come and supply no blood pressure or nothing for me. I don't want them thing. I normal. That's how I just be. I just speak with authorization. So you to me, you is a Bolaman. You don't get me out already. Take jamming. Because the boy in the Kaliatri temple, he is shame. When his father put a cutlass on him, he eyed the black. That was the last report they had. He shame and he hang himself right in the temple. Because the whole temple them keep it underneath low. Because they don't want the temple to go down the road nasty. Because you know how they do with the PNM government. They just keep all the PNM ministers safe. They don't talk about it, not at the UNC, they're jamming each other. No, back to the topic again. Now, the fellas, them not innocent, and they're saying how they talking. Let me tell you something. They without them talking to me. Them fellas innocent, Them fellas innocent. But let me tell you something. You see, when the fellas, them, ask for justice, right? They want justice. Everyone asking for justice, but they want peace. Right? Everyone asking for that, but that is good. They make jail innocent. Real people know it are people making jail innocently. Now, 1,000 men in the area. Now, they 1,000 men in that area, they pick them, all they fit the description, because the life all they choose to live, the life that all they choose to live ranking, and all they want to live, they live Jamaican life, and live ranking life, and live rapping life, and live get 50 cents, die rich, and all them kind of thing. You understand? Mr. Lochan, Krishna Lochan, that is what they want to do. By the end of the day come, I want to come to do. I trying to tell all to follow Christ. Follow him. Those servants that the woman talking about. He is a rabbi. He is a teacher. You understand? Now, I want to tell you something. They say that everything happen for good fellas, because if them thing didn't happen to all the way they never come out and talk and vent for the unspoken voices, for the people that innocent and can't talk and they're quiet. All your God make that happen for you to come to talk, to fasten up the DPP and them shit snakes and them. Some of them inside the jail want to kill themselves. They're getting frustrated. I'm talking about the innocent people that I come to talk about. The innocent people making jail and things like my sister. Innocent. Their life they change, they lose everything. Men and women in jail for years. Justice system killing we. 1% benefit from criminality. Right? What the company you keep. That is the next thing I want to tell the people and them. Watch all your company all you keep. He talking about my company. I have no company. My company is Bruce Lee, Brian Lara, and all the gods them. That is my company. You understand? If I have voodoo queen, voodoo king, whatever queen, king, anything I know that call me anything I want. I have everything in this world. There is nothing all you can throw at me by. Everything all you throw at me bouncing off and coming straight back to all you. Because it's God child all they don't interfere with by. It's God child all they interfere with. So come. The people have enough evidence and you want to bring it to finish the case. That's that bullshit. Boy, we living in TNT. We living in TNT. And everything the police do it is right. We living in TNT and anything the police do it is right. That is what licking we up. That is what licking we up. What about the sex trade? Where they talking about the girls and them. And the police them underlow in all the houses. When Gary Griffith lock up a certain man and lock up a certain white man, lock up a certain man. And they started to do all kind of thing. What happened to him? What happened to them? They say nothing about them things Trinidad and Tobago and the world. You understand? They not say nothing about them thing. All that is going on the drain. Gary Griffin keep everything on the low. All them men, them sex trade. Them girls, them frightened. Them girls, them making money. $600 a night and all they selling the woman them. All they bringing them down here and they're afraid because they don't know where they're. Trinidad and Tobago, when all they put all they step inside somebody's shoe, then all they will under somebody people them going through, you know. All they think why sure, you know. That is why killing in Trinidad and Tobago and all the fraud and everything can done. Because you know why? Watch them all years, them fellas them in jail. They watch them upset down. They watch this, what that. Trinidad and Tobago die why we had to say so. Because when people in jail, they go hurt people. A man turn around and say, well, yeah, but me don't care about nobody. I send a man and blow up a policeman house. I send a man and blow up some people's house. Me don't care. I gonna remain here for the rest of my life and other people are dead. That is where let's bring in all them things. Okay, the fellas them looking bad and they're looking this because of the nasty heads in the country not helping them. They're not making them want to do something good. They're not bringing everything in the system. It's only bullying. It's only nastiness on TV and that's a distraction. And they wouldn't tell about the fluoride. They wouldn't tell about the babies them not dying. They putting it in food. It is a legend. McDonald's. All them little babies when they're frying burger. They're putting it in all them things. And they are talking, we getting cancer. Fluorides in the water. They have we dotish, chemtrail all in the air, they spraying thing in the air, all along in the water. And I mustn't talk, but I the doubters talking to me why. Tomorrow I is 33 years old, and I'm jamming them for 33 years old. You realize all the prophet them die early. Nobody can kill me. When I ready, I send myself and leave this written. The men them saying is not the justice, it's the time they're waiting for the justice. Some of them say it's not about the justice, it's the time they have to wait, spending time in jail, and some of them they might get a little small charge, some of them they might come out, some of them innocent. That is what I come to talk about. That is why this country running so. And it's a lucky thing. Them fellas and them, the Deutas was telling them, I tell you, I had a dream that they're going to lock down the parliament and run down after they beat everybody up. It coming, eh? The dream coming, eh? They will lick up the parliament, eh? Alright, thanks very much, man. If I get caught in where I was doing that with a goat, well, say what? If you say so. I care about, let's say, but I like the woman, boy. I like the woman when she was hemorrhaging. You understand what I'm saying? The faith that she having, I like that woman. I didn't care what the crowd say. I didn't care when that crowd telling the woman, she have faith. She one crowd telling she, oh, Guy, don't go there. One crowd telling she, you will be saved. And the amount of things the crowd keep telling she keep focus on what she going. That is what I wanted to tell people on, and my supporters them. All do not focus on them negative people and them. Them can't get to me. Because what them saying there is not truth. But when I talking and I jamming people, oh Gun Baba, they know it's truth. They know it's truth, that's why they're coming. That's why they can't take it. One want to go in court, one want to run there, one want to run here. But all they get in wool anyway, all they come by. Because you know why? It's God saving me. And God and me doing what I'm doing here. Understand? The police and them, they're too nasty. One among that thing you talking about, I talking shit and I talking this. But look at the radio station. Look at the TV. Now they want to play, they come in and bring in positivity. And if they do bring positivity, they have a bulla man. And I have nasty people doing it. I have fakes in the country that doing them things in Trinidad and Tobago. That is what I come on here to talk about. And when I sing my song and when I talk about it, none of them can understand. But all they could do is come to bad, talk about this one. What I do here, I keep talking when he went up on the Facebook and saying a man want to buy a cutlass. And I have the recording with the video. Run by a lawyer. I am a lawyer as them too. It's war, boy. It's war this thing start with. Because all the Kaliatri temple, all the church and all the psychic men robbing people. Because they rob me. The Baba Steve from up in Gasparillo. When I went by he tell me I have 4 snakes in my house, Ravi B in it. And he say he move it out. I go my the next one in Taruba, the big belly one, and me and he went, we started a fight. And when I jamming him on his Facebook, he couldn't take it, and he reach up the road and shoot up on Bacchanal. The next one, Rajesh Temple, the one Kalia, all the Kaliatri temple I talk about, I keep jamming them. Moses, some grandee, Father Ben, take 16,500 from the old lady to go and take a man and put it in a graveyard. And when I jam him, when I jam him, he give back the man she money. Because you know why? Because there's real people doing things, boy. It's real people doing things. Partners I ignoring all boy. What all they come to do me, all they can't get through. What I'm trying to show you here tonight, that whosoever send all you, tell them all you fail. Because the first time when they come, they kill the house, they kill human, they killing material things. You understand? They killing material things, Trinidad and Tobago. And I sing my little song with the politician and we go in mad. And them vex. By the song keep mashing them up, Trinidad and Tobago. They can't take it. They can't take the song them. Politician are we going mad. Look how they're destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the poor people them keep suffering. Politician are we going mad. Look how the thief in out Trinidad. Politician are we going mad. Look how the thief in out Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the government talk about winning. Politician are we going mad. Look how they destroy in Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the government talk about winning. Yeah, lyrics, yeah. Hey, I miss a phobia, race, kidnapping, murder. Get out the face, no roads, no water. The golf course women, but the pitch lake missing. 1% media pushing an agenda. Failed state companies paying you salary. Gas going up and will the hardship stop? Rich in birth, laughing at we. No riot yet. Yes, we should be the biggest budget in history. But they saying that the treasury empty. Who thief more from all are we? The PNM or the UNC? Keep the faith and time will tell. No more racial voting, let them burn in hell. Things mad. Big up Bayan Mahabir, don't worry. Love you too, man, don't worry. Oh, Trinidad, tax people money on the waste. When the government talk about winning, politician are we going mad. Look how the thief in out Trinidad. Hey! Life sports gone with all we money. No one get charged, minister too busy. If they not romping, you know they roaming. Females reporter, you know they buying. Hard working BNM minister, playing with himself on camera. That is why no work can't be done. Where is the heritage children's life fund? Kamla bill, low income house, $1 million each. What a louse. New road bill, mash up already. Calls to contracts to friends and family. The system was designed by thieves in parliament to protect each other from getting judgment. No one get charged, no matter how they steal. Divide us by race, that is the deal. Things mad. My next song I'm coming for. I'll sing my next song for you now. Trinidad, tax people money and the government talk about winning. They can't touch me. Look out the kids. Hey, what is up? Liketo, Jumbi, Bridgeman Ferry, Sandal, Scandal, Corruption, Secrecy. Maxi get taxpayers' money. Foreign health bill you see. Now tell me, Mr. Rowley, what about the poor in the country? Tourism dead, housing failure, healthcare, road care, education disaster. Agriculture minister planting nothing. Culture ministry discriminating. National insecurity. Justice system killing we. 1% benefit from criminality. Kamla Keat, same party. Every ministry is a joke in the country. When will you open up your eyes and see? Things mad. Look how the thief in out Trinidad. I mean I send the beats here. I send the beats here. Malin Max Subway, Vasan Bakiak, Tim Gopi Sang. I jamais all the ministers in the pot. The whole of Venezuela map in the pot. The whole of Trinidad. No, next song and I go now. Hey! Only my channel, the radio fight them along. Yeah. Hata, Wang Tao. Black Shaolin Monk strike back. Sushi Karada. Da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da. I walk in well hard, my body hurting me. I bounce up this doctor, she is a Chinese. She see her under pressure, she didn't leave me alone. The girl a volunteer, she go massage me bone. She want to massage me bone, she want to massage me bone. The Chinese doctor milling wouldn't leave me alone. She want to massage me bone, she want to massage me bone. The Chinese doctor milling wouldn't leave me alone. Hey! Angela Mao, Sushi Karada. The man they call Kong Wen Kong. I come and call you. When she sat to massage me boy, I was real glad. Then she telling me how my bone feeling hard. When she massaging me, I know the pain I could take. She say, boy, you walk up, feel like your bone gone and break. She want to massage me bone, she want to massage me bone. The Chinese doctor milling wouldn't leave me alone. She want to massage me bone, she want to massage me bone. The Chinese doctor milling wouldn't leave me alone. Hey! Massage me flange and the step. Da 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 da. Ba da 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 ba da da da. Yeah, you know. When she start to touch me, my hands start to jump. I grab onto something, I feel a little hump. Milling start to watch me with a smile on she face. And then she start to massage the girl under me waist. She want to massage me bone, she want to massage me bone. The Chinese doctor Milling wouldn't leave me alone. She want to massage me bone, she want to massage me bone. The Chinese doctor Milling wouldn't leave me alone. Hey! Wang Tao boys, Black Shaolin Monk strike back. The return of the Wakaman, jamming them. Hey! This one is to my boy Ian now. She turned me on the side and tell me have no fear. Then I feel a hand like it going on by my rear. I tell she to stop, King Waka nothing that. When Ian pass through, you know he real love that. She want to massage me bone, she want to massage me bone. The Chinese doctor Milling wouldn't leave me alone. She want to massage me bone, she want to massage me bone. The Chinese doctor Milling wouldn't leave me alone. Hey! Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Extra verse now, let's tell now. Extra verse now. When she start to massage me, boy, I was real glad. Then she telling me how my muscle feeling hard. She massaged my belly, my head and my neck. And then she thought something and say, boy, what the heck? She want to massage my bone, she want to massage my bone. The Chinese doctor Milling wouldn't leave me alone. She want to massage my bone, she want to massage my bone. The Chinese doctor Milling wouldn't leave me alone. Hey! Well, that's the way they talk about Trinidad and Tobago and the world. That is what I want to jam them with. See if I get through from again now. Go up in 2013 now, so I instrumental. I don't want to play thing. I'm going and fire them tonight. I'm going and fire them out. Fire, fire, fire for the man. Fire for everybody. And I still love them too. I know where I doing. Go talk, go talk. I apologize to nobody, boy. I apologize to Jack. Fight me long again. Fight me in the radio. Fight me all about social media, boy. Catch me on social media. Catch me on social media. My number is 487-1789. My voice notice. I is the Waka man, you can't get through to me. It is plenty see that are real busy. Leave your name and number and I will call you back. Listen to this thing. It's a real bad song track. I know why this thing my thing. Let me see if we go play here now. Coming up, you know. Coming up. See the guy there. Look at it, shake it. Right. Right people, right? No. Heat in the place, 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 heat in the place. No matter what they do, I still getting through. No matter what they say, I still get through every day. We all must rise through the mistakes of tomorrow. Forgetting all your pain, forgetting all your sorrow. Panic in this city, the fire burning down the tongue. Oh, look how everybody out there jumping around. The fire just burning out of control. Panic in this city, the wicked be before their soul. So I come down here with fire. I come down here with fire. Bring all your water, can put out this fire. So I come down here with fire. I come down here with fire. Bring all your water, can put out this fire. So put up all your rocks them, put up all your flags them, put up all your rocks them, and burn up your man. So put up all your rocks them, put up all your flags them, put up all your rocks them, and burn the fake man. So I tell you, heat in the place, 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 heat in the place. Don't know try and go. And fire is everything. And I'm still getting through. You don't know what I'm. And every time I sing this kind of song, my spirit, I start to sweat because I be singing with her power. Just like how Beyonce, how she Sasha Fierce, I have the different side of me that is coming. when I start to sing is that power. I just speak like Bruce Lee. He said, feel it like a finger pointing to the heavenly glory. But he said, don't concentrate on this finger, you will miss the heavenly glory. So feel from the heart and not the flesh and the mind. It is not to be trust. Trinidad and Tobago, Wakaman have to go because they've done no. Blessing to you all. Bye bye. Love all you.